Welcome! Here we are with some good news and one little bad news. The bad news is that at the moment I'm not able to set the right date for the release of Flared because we are still solving some little problems that we have with the code. I'm sorry about that. We are trying to respect the date of the end of September. If we are not be ready for the end of September, it will be the beginning of October. Anyway, for all the people who have done the pre-order, we will respect the date, so we will release Flared as it will be in that moment. There are no big problems now, stupid things that we have seen in these days. The good news is that in this week we have found the time to make other templates because we want to play with more than 5 templates. So now we have 7 templates and we're trying to make other templates just to release Flared with more templates than now. Here I am to show you the last template that is called Horizons, because of these horizontal big streaks that he does in the light source. I'm using the well-known scene Wanderer made by Daniel Bistedt. I hope to pronounce correctly the name. So here I have already applied this flare. I will take a look at the scene, moving the camera. You can see what is happening with this lens flare. This is a big streak in the sky. Now I pump it up very much. It's quite a cartoon at the moment, but it could have realistic effects, and as you can see is something different from the other flares. You could change the parameters of all these elements as for all the other flares, and this is the effect. There is one more new, that is that Blender 2.81 is going to change the way that Eevee will play with transparency. The core of Flared, that is the additive transparency, will change. We have already made some tests with the 2.81. We have found a solution. This solution will be published for all the one who will buy the add-on and for all the people that have already bought it as soon as it will be ready. And with this new technique of managing the transparencies, maybe that converting all this work to cycles will be easier, because we want that Flared could work with cycle 2, but at the moment we have developed only for Eevee. Maybe with the changes that the Blender Foundation is making for the 2.81, we will be able to use this Flared also with cycles. We will inform you when this will happen on our website and on our channels. This is all about this lens flare. I'll make another video about the other template that we have, because we have also a green template that is another flare too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will like this add-on. Bye bye.